Martin, the firstborn son of Firstborn Son Home Services here in Surrey, where we've done a pretty massive job, and I'm pretty impressed with what we've accomplished here. Let me take you through a walkthrough, starting in the garage. So we got the smart garage door opener that's controlled by the app, Alexa, and or Google. Surrey HomeKit is available. We've got a Ring wired floodlight plus installed in the ceiling mount position, catching the entire driveway here in Surrey. Moving to the back of the home, we've got a few cameras back here. Another Ring wired floodlight plus, and a second Ring wired floodlight plus. Full capture of the backyard, and as we speak I'm getting all kinds of motion notifications from these cameras. And on the side of the house we have our fourth Ring wired floodlight plus camera. Again, I'm getting all kinds of motion from these cameras. The idea here is we're going to catch the side view once I figure this thing out. As well in the garage, we're running a couple of indoor cameras just temporarily while we're under renovation, and then these will be set up in the home in their final resting place.